2008 Harley-Davidson Softail FatBoy in cherry red with 10,000 miles. This motorcycle features Vance & Hines exhaust, a 1584cc counterbalanced V-twin engine, 6-speed cruise drive transmission. Notice that chrome swing on cover on there. Detachable backrest for you. Beach bars. Run brake turn conversion has been done for added safety. Engine guard. Detachable Harley windshield. This bike represents one of the many pre-owned bikes we have in stock and available for immediate delivery. All of our bikes are safety inspected and fully serviced, and we ship anywhere in the United States. For more information on this bike, click the link below, and always check out TampaHarley.com for all your Harley needs.